You don't know the power of the dark side.
Hello everybody, it's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. Alright, in this exciting video, guys, we got a mail call for you. Alright, so stick around, I'm going to show you some cool stuff. Alright, check this out. Check this out. Okay, I got this. Check this out. I got this here. Right here. A card. Check this out. I got this really cool card from my buddy Mustang 774 Bluefin. Alright. And he sent me a great card. And he sent me a coaster. Now I already opened it. I did. Because, well, I didn't recognize the name on the envelope. Not to mention, this is the third time I've done this mail call because I've been having problems with my audio. And then I realized that my mic wasn't plugged in. It was plugged into the phone, but it's a two-way plug, and it wasn't plugged into the microphone. Just can't seem to win, can I? Alright, so third time's the charm, right? Well, check this out. Look at this cool card. Alright. And here's the coaster. Very cool. Very cool, Bluefin. And on the inside of the card it says, Here's to a Christmas filled with love, laughter, and all you wish for, Bluefin. Ain't that awesome? Thanks, Bluefin. Thank you very much, buddy. I really appreciate it. And I really appreciate the coaster, too, man. I'll have something to set my purple drinks on. The second one here is from Darren and Megan Charron up there in Canada. Yeah. Alright, now, Darren's doing projects on his house up there. He's remodeling his house up there. He puts up videos about that and does some pretty cool stuff up there, live streams and whatnot. And Megan has her own channel, and she's quite the little singer, boy. She's got a pretty set of pipes. She could, girl can sing. Yeah, she can. Alright, let's, I already opened this one too, guys. I'm sorry. Like I said, I had audio problems. You know, nothing makes your heart sink into your stomach more than when you do a video and you're all excited and you go to put it in the editor and you get it in there and then realize there ain't no audio. This is the third time I've done this. Alright, so anyway, he sent me this really beautiful card, and inside the card was another card, one of his business cards. So I'll come up here and show you that. Alright, look. Here's his business card. Alright, and then on the back is his logo, his channel logo. Very awesome. Here, let's see if I can get my big fat thumb out of the way. Be sure to go check that out. Heck yeah. Go check them out. And he sent me some Canada stickers. Yep, from Canada. Very cool. Thank you, Darren. Thank you, Megan. You guys are awesome. On the inside of the card it says, May the promise, the hope, the peace of his love fill your heart at Christmas and always. Merry Christmas from Darren and Megan. Merry Christmas to you guys too. I know it's over, so it's a belated Christmas, and I sure hope I wished you a Merry Christmas beforehand. I'm going to get these put back in the envelopes because I save all this stuff. Someday when I'm old and yeah, older, and I can look back on these memories, and that'd be great. That'd be great, because I love all my friends here on YouTube. I'm making new ones too. So So I hope Darren and Megan, you guys had a Merry Christmas. And Bluefin, I hope you had a Merry Christmas, buddy. And I hope everybody watching had a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday, whatever you prefer. Political correctness and all. Happy holidays to those who wish to be wished a happy holidays, and Merry Christmas to those who wish to be Merry Christmased. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. I got one more thing to show you guys, so let me get you out the tripod so I can show that, because I can't really hold that up, okay? 1 second. All right, this one comes from TJ's Woodworking Shop. Check that out, man. Check out what TJ sent me. Here, let me get down here. Ain't that cool? That is just so cool. TJ sent me a lathe. All right, now here's the story behind that. Me and I think Granny Monster and Gaz and whatnot, we're all on a live stream, well, TJ is the king of Craigslist, man. That man, he's always getting deals on Craigslist. So I made the joke. I was like, man, TJ, I'm gonna have you find me a lathe on Craigslist, because all the ones here are junk. And he's like, I'll send you one, Dart. And so he did. So let's get her open and take a look at her. Alright, so we got her open. Let's open that up. There's the paperwork. Oh yeah, check that out. That was super cool. Thank you, TJ. Alright. Let's get this open. Oh, look at that. Woo! It's brand new, man. Look at that. It's still in the plastic and everything. Man, TJ, you didn't have to get me a brand new one, man. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. That is so cool. Man. Well, I guess you guys know what I'll be doing this spring, man. We're going to be turning some wood. TJ, man, I'm going to make you something nice, brother. I don't know what it's going to be yet. Still kind of new to lathe work, but we're going to make you something real nice, brother. I promise. And, yeah. Alright. Let me get this back on the tripod and I'll thank you proper. Man, that's freaking awesome, huh? Thank you, TJ. Thank you so much, buddy. That was really over the top, dude. You didn't have to do that. And I really, really am. I'm really happy that you did. Thank you so much. Alright, so there you go. There's my mail call, guys. Thank you so much to Bluefin and to Darren and to Megan and to TJ. Thank you, guys. I really enjoyed your gifts. And I sure hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. And I hope you have a great year. That being said, I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. I'm out. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side.